Hello guys! Welcome to our channel! Pasensya na guys, hindi ako makapag-upload ng bagong video ngayon kasi wala akong time. Konti lang yung liwanag sa umaga and medyo naging busy ako lately. So for now, let me re-upload this old video kung paano kami naging mga Canadian citizen. Hope you enjoy guys! Until next time! Supposed to be na kami mag-oath taking na kami Pero one day before the oath taking, na-cancel kasi nga because of the pandemic. So ngayon hindi namin alam kung kailan yung schedule ng oath taking namin.
Baka virtual na lang.
Baka virtual na lang din. So hindi rin namin alam. Hi guys, I'm now in the lobby of my work in downtown Vancouver. So nag-out ako and then I received an email from Citizenship Canada. So ito na, yung hinihintay namin yung date ng aming outtaking. So halika, samahan niyo ako, basahin natin kung ano yung nasa email. So sabi sa email, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada is pleased to invite you to take the oath of citizenship. To complete all requirements for Canadian citizenship, you are required to recite the oath of citizenship before an authorized official. In the context of current operational changes in response to the COVID-19 situation, the oath will be administered by video using Zoom. So yun. Yung oath of citizenship namin is through virtual na lang, gamit ang Zoom. So halika, samahan niyo ako, papagupit muna ako para maganda yung looks natin sa araw ng oath taking namin.
Hi!
Hello! We're going to fix our setup for tomorrow's oath taking!
Yay!
Come on, let's fix them!
We're so excited! Yay!
I'm so excited too. Can't stop. Once we're done, I want to do more because I love it. Look.
Yay!
We're done! See you tomorrow! See you tomorrow! Bye!
Bye.
Say goodbye!
Bye!
Yay. Love you.
Hello! Good morning, everyone! Today is the day of our oath taking and we're so excited!
Ay, gising na pala
Hello,
si
ate! Are you excited later, ate?
Yeah.
Our oath taking will happen later. We will become Canadian citizens.
Yay! Hi!
Except Baby Rai because she is already a Canadian citizen. Only mommy, daddy, and ate.
And baby.
Oh.
Baby Rai is already a Canadian citizen.
Yeah, she's gonna use 16 already.
Okay, see you later.
See you later. Bye.
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 Oh, say bye, bye. Say bye, Baby Rai.
Bye.
Hi. Today Today is the big day! Set up ko muna yung, ano namin, yung para sa virtual taking mamaya. Okay na. See you later sa taking. Bye! So, hi! We're waiting for the time, yung kung kailan mag-start yung virtual outtaking namin. And medyo kinakabahan kami. So, everything is set up. Hopefully, maging maayos yung lahat. And thank you for joining us in this special moment in our life here in Canada. Thank you. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
We're good,
We're
thank
good.
you.
Perfect. Welcome to your virtual citizenship ceremony. Thank you very much, Mr. Clerk. As you repeat the oath, I urge you to take the words to heart as you are giving your commitment to do your best for Canada. We'll begin in English. Please repeat after me. I swear
I swear
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to Her Majesty,
to Her Majesty,
Queen Elizabeth II,
Queen Elizabeth II,
Queen of Canada,
Queen of Canada,
her heirs and successors,
her heirs and successors,
and that I will faithfully observe
and that I will faithfully observe
the laws of Canada
the laws of Canada
and fulfill my duties
and fulfill my duties
as a Canadian citizen.
as a Canadian citizen.
Thank you very much, everyone. You did so great. You can give your hand to us for a moment. And next, we'll repeat the oath in French. We'll go slowly, don't worry, and step by step. So, maintenant, en français, s'il vous plaît, levez la main droite et veuillez répéter après moi. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me, this time in French. Je jure
Je jure
que
que je
serai fidèle
serai fidèle
et porterai
et porterai
sincère
sincère
allégeance
allégeance
à Sa Majesté,
à Sa Majesté,
la Reine
la Reine
Elisabeth II,
Elizabeth II,
Reine du Canada,
Reine du Canada,
à ses héritiers
à ses héritiers
et successeurs,
et successeurs,
que
que je
observerai
observerai
fidèlement
fidèlement
les lois
les lois
du Canada
du Canada
et que je
et que je
remplirai
remplirai
loyalement
loyalement
mes obligations
mes obligations
de citoyen
de citoyen
canadien.
canadien.
Félicitations, vous êtes maintenant des citoyens du Canada. Congratulations, you are now citizens.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, we are so happy to see all these proud new Canadians.
Thank you.
Everyone, you are very welcome. Welcome back, everyone.
Hi, Judge.
Hi, Judge.
I would like to take a photo with you.
How does it feel to be new
I'm
Canadians?
so happy.
So happy, feels great.
Oh, great. And your girls were amazing during the ceremony.
Thanks, Judge.
How old are they?
This one is 5, that one is turning 1 next week.
Oh, that's so great. What a lovely family you have. It was so nice to have you in the ceremony today.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Judge. Come on.
I'm just gonna use this one. 1,
One.
Your screen was freezing a bit. Is it okay now?
Yes.
yeah,
I'm ready. 1,
2, 3.
2, 3.
Let me check. Yeah, it's okay.
One more.
One more,
Are you
please.
sure? Feel free to take more. There's no rush.
Okay. Don't cover your face.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
One more. Ay, nakapikit si Tay.
It's okay, she's not.
Is that?
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Last one.
Is it okay, one more?
Of course, absolutely. Take as many as you like. With little ones, it's hard to get everyone
One,
looking
one.
with their eyes open, smiling.
1, 2, 3. Yep.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so much, Judge.
Oh, nice to meet all of you. Where are you from originally?
From the Philippines.
The Philippines. Welcome to the Canadian family.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Oh, they're so great. Are you going to have a party now to celebrate your citizenship?
Yes, we will.
That's great. It's a wonderful thing to celebrate. We're very happy to have you as part of the Canadian family.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Pleasure. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody.
Thank you,
Stay
Judge.
safe.
Bye,
Goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Take care. All of your best.
Bye, please.
So sweet.
Bye. Hi, there you go. So, tapos na po yung Canadian citizenship oath taking namin.
We're Canadians now.
We're Canadians now! So, next step is hihintayin na lang namin yung certificate of citizenship namin. So, hopefully, in 2 to 4 weeks, ma-receive na namin yon. Thank you for watching us! Bye! Hi everyone! So, after 2 weeks, after nung namin yung citizenship oath taking, pinadala na yung aming mga Canadian citizenship certificate. So, bubuksan na namin.
Yay!
Yay!
And gusto
So,
namin maging part kayo noon.
Gusto namin maging part kayo nun, babasahin namin in front of you. Sige, ma'am, this is yours. And this is mine.
Anak.
Hey, where's mine?
Maybe yours is included inside. So excited. Are you excited, Tay?
Yeah.
Because we are
Canadians now.
Canadians now.
Yes, we are.
It was the Canadian born.
Yeah, Baby Ray is Canadian born.
Yes. I think mine is inside.
I think it's with me.
Ito na po, may seal ng Canadian.
Precious, anak.
Canadian maple leaf.
Precious.
So, babasahin ko na. Ito yung nakasulat sa akin.
Precious. Ay, where's baby?
Certificate of Canadian Citizenship.
Where's
Oh, wala saan kaya? How many pages?
1, 2. Where's the rest?
Oh, yeah. Maybe it's delayed. Anyway, I will send it.
But I'm just here.
Yours is not yet here.
It's okay, we'll contact
We will wait for yours, okay? So, babasahin na namin. Sabi dito,
And where's baby
the
one?
Minister of Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship hereby certificates and declares that Terence Mercado is a Canadian citizen.
And
Yay!
Alana.
How about you, Mami?
Alana
Of course,
is
Parehas lang. So, So, hindi naipadala yung kay Ate Tay. So, maybe na-delay lang. Tatawag na lang kami siguro sa immigration para i-follow up yun sa kanya. Pero, Bebra, ginugulo yung camera. Anyway, thank you po. Ito na, Canadian na kami. Ayan, ito na yung certificate namin.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Canada.
Thank you, Canada. Bye! Bye!
Hi everyone.
Hello, everyone! Later this day, we have received the citizenship certificate of Ate Tay.
Yeah, because this morning, Mommy and Daddy made to open hers, and now it's my turn to open it.
Yeah, it's
Your certificate is delayed, so Mommy gonna help you. Or should I help you?
Okay, okay, let me do it.
No, you
Like this.
Mom.
Like this, oh. You have to cut here.
Hayaan mo siya,
At the side. No, not like that. Okay. Three. Open. Open. Surprise! Yay! 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 Ano rin? Yay! Okay. Jump the knees and toes. Knees and toes. Jump knees and toes. Knees and toes.
Yay! Okay.
Wow!
Wow! You're a Canadian citizen na!
Yeah!
Thank you for joining us. We appreciate it.
Bye!
Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and
It's the bell.
bye!